Good morning. It is the day of our locals competition for my Pop Warner cheer team. I haven't vlogged in a while. I'm sorry, but I know you guys love my cheer vlogs, so finally have another one for you. We haven't really had too much cheer the last couple years, so here we go. We are doing a few things differently today than we used to just because of panini restrictions. So everything's gonna be outside all day, which is great, but I've got my mask still just in case. I'm so excited. This is a brand new team that I've never coached before until this season. And yeah, a lot of them are new. So this is a lot of their first time at locals competition. And hopefully they have so much fun. So I'm just gonna take you along today and let's see. Go Bulldogs! Morning! Morning! Wait, okay, play the song now. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm super. Thank you for doing my hair.
You're welcome. Are you nervous?
No, actually, I'm very excited. I don't think it's
Nervous?
I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm excited. Not nervous. Oh yeah.
I'm nervous. Both?
I'm excited and nervous.
So I'm hungry.
Oh yes.
We're going to warm up. How you feeling? Are you nervous? Excited? How you feeling?
Nervous and excited.
Nervous and excited? So fancy. Alright, we're at warm-ups for show cheer. Ready to go. It has been a very hot and very long day. How do you feel?
Happy, tired, excited. Happy.
How do you feel?
I feel really happy because when I went up, my arms did not swing this time. And we got Haley up so perfectly. Dude, our basket was so good. Our basket was so good.
How do you feel?
That was the best! You need there.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I like how I went up. I think I did a good job and our stunts did really good.
Hey, how do you feel? How do you feel?
Tired?
Tired? How do you feel?
I feel
Okay, yeah.
I'm very hungry. That was the best we've ever done.
Yes, you guys did great.
I nailed it. I nailed my part where I had to do the pole dancer's hand. I got it done.
Good job.